This is just a quick one. This is just a re-edit for a re-upload. Hello and what's up again, everybody? It's part 2 of my 30 pack opening, the GG Guillotine End and Garchomp and GG Ends. I did promise in the last episode that I would give I'm going to give 3 packs to my niece and my nephew because they deserve it. It's one of the only things I can really get them from the Tokyo Tower. In the meantime, so that's 5. I'm going to put 3, can't remember what these ones are called, but I'm pretty sure I've seen either Max or Ampharob open them, and they were pretty good pulls, I think. I think you got all 3, so there's 2 more in them. So I keep these 10 for the next part, and we've got these 10 here. So I'll shuffle these ones around, unlike the last ones. The last ones I absolutely did not shuffle them around. A couple fell on the floor, it's fine. Shuffle, shuffle. Okay, that'll do. We'll start with this one. And now I know it's pulled straight down. I think. Nope, I'm just going to break the pack. Great start. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Try and open them up a little bit faster, because that's what I think half my problem is as well. Not doing it quick enough. The Platpot Weirdo, Thunderous, I can't remember the name, the Lantern Weirdo and Cubone, and a holo of Lantern, I don't know, can't remember these ones. I think this one's actually called like Flame Flick or something, I cannot remember. I know it's English, it's pretty hard for me to remember anyway, so my brain is absolute jelly. Try one of the Mega 3, I can't remember what these ones are called. Such a fucking scrub, I can't remember anything. Ninja. Dusclops. Oh, got something shiny on the back. Turtwig. Wavy original normal energy. Oh, hell yeah, that's a grey pull. Oh, hell yeah, Blastoise Piplup on a tag team. That's brilliant. Oh, what? Yo, that's actually really mad. What are the odds of getting these just from pulling them off a shelf from the Tokyo Tower? That's pretty sick. That's pretty dope, you know. Wow. A little bit speechless, because that's just cool. Never expect things like that to happen, really. I think I sorted the camera out. I don't think I have, really. I will get a better camera, though. But in the meantime, this is my only form of camera and video / audio. Really sorry for the audio as well, and my coughing and everything, because I'm a horrible, disgusting person. Zygarde, Axel, I think it's Axel, Medicham, Bidoof, and Black Belt. Part 3 might actually take a little bit longer for me because I'm going to be going out today, finishing off what I was going to do, and then I'm off for dinner with the family and some friends. Black Belt again, Cubone, Pikachu. I like that Pikachu, it's really cool. I think that's Bidoof, or is that Bibarel? That one's Bibarel, and Latios, or Latios, I don't remember, Latios or Latios, one of the two, but it's not shiny, so I don't care. As the goblins would say, give the goblin some gold. And the goblin's got a big old pinch on his finger, dried blood underneath it, it's lovely, I cannot wait for that to come out. Don't look like I've got a massive slob of dirt underneath my fingernail. well, why don't you just cut it off? Because I can't cut my nails at the moment. They're not long enough. Medicham, Magma, Garchomp, I think it's Garchomp, I can't remember. There's a Cloudurus, a Windy Boy, and another Giratina. That's 2 Giratinas now. I've got one. Oh. See? I got a double. Why do I have a double? Unnecessary. They'll stay on the pile. I think that thing's called Lampert. That bloody fire Pokemon. I cannot remember. Okay. Another... don't know his name yet. Litwick, maybe. Yay! Another one of the plushy dolls. They look pretty cool. Yeah, I like those ones. Sunfisk, and another Heatran, I think it's called. No, Heatran's something else. Heatran's probably that the anteater thing. I can't remember. I'll have to get back into like knowing the names, otherwise I'm just gonna look like a fool doing this. I am a fool, but I'm a silly fool that just wants to open packs and hopefully get something nice. Another Revive, I think that's called, or an Energy Switch. Driftbloom. Axie, another Cloud Boy, and very, boy, that's a nice full art. What? Which one's this? Oh, I'm gonna have to find out this name. That's so cool. I wish I knew how much these would go for as well, so I could just put them up on editing, but one day I'll have to re-upload these. That's... pretty cool. Pretty nice. They'll all go in my folder. I'll show you my folder just real quick. Hasn't got really much Shaymans and things like that. Can't see much because of that. Take it out quick. Feel free to pause the video if you want, just have a look. Nothing fucking too amazing, nothing like super rare. But it's been collected for about a year and a half maybe, properly. And then on and off for about 6 months, just picking up packs out of Toys R Us, and we call it Tesco's, but it's like a Walmart type thing. And then I picked this up out of Goblin Slayer packs in Japan. This one's about 450. That's a lie. 150. 450 is the other one of the young priest girl. If that's a sign card for 150 and the other one's 450, it's just a weird market for this. It's by the Schwartz company. They do pretty cool cards. I like them. There's the Mawile we got earlier. Zoroark I picked up. More like Ragnarok, I think they're called. Tapu Lele or Tapu... I can't remember it. And that's another one I picked up. I got that out of a pack in Japan. That was pretty cool. Eevee and Snorlax GX. Pretty damn sweet. Now I've got to add my Piplup Blastoise, however you pronounce it, don't mind. And it looks like the Duo Rangers. Team Up Rangers, maybe? I don't know. That was a nice weight. Okay. Got 3 more to go. Can't count. Oh. Don't want to break the cards, Dave. Come on. What's that one? Grimer? Logan Grimer? Rapidash? The big banana chin weirdo? That's a weird dinosaur looking mofo. That Blade Boy? And Whale Lord. I remember Whale Lord. It's a great Pokemon. But what's the luck of just pulling one of these and just getting one of the 3 main team ups? It's just cool. I think I did good on my trip in Japan. I'm definitely going back this year at some point, maybe for my birthday, because it's going to be nice and cheap then. But hey ho, whenever I go, can't really complain. It's one of the best places on earth for me. Reagan, Tangela. I can't remember that one at all. Emboar? No, Emboar's the big one. Dusclops and another Whale Lord. Double Whale Lord. Hell yeah. Okay, last one for this one. Yeah, I was a little quicker this time around. I'll try and make them a little bit quicker. 15 minutes is way too long, I think, to open a few packs. Always seems to be really hard to open these ones, or else I'm just really weak. Can't be weak. Armadude, Beetle Boy, another fluffy little motherfucker. Numel, I think the name is, and another Kangaskhan. Cool. Okay. Kangaskhan. Double Giratina. Hey ho. Doesn't matter. It's fine. So, we only got these 3 out of that one as well. Kangaskhan, the Lantern, and another Giratina. We just check the book. The book is showing that we've got next team up of Blastoise and Piplup, and the Rangers, I'm going to call them because I don't read Japanese yet. But a secret rare, full art, or whatever you call it, I don't know, is that secret rare? Yeah, it is. It's 62 out of 54. Secret rare. Awesome. Well, at least I got my secret rare. I wonder if I'll get another full art in this next 10 packs. Well, if you haven't seen the first one, be sure to click like, subscribe, leave a comment. All comments are welcome, critical or not. Have a good day.